G'day guys, Jason from Muscle Garage and Tuff Mounts. Well, you've seen the intro. We've done a road trip. We're on our way to Heatcote to test out Foxake, the Foxbody. It's been a rough couple of weeks getting the car ready for the event. It's actually Holden Nationals that we're going to sort of test it and test the car out. It's Friday now. We're heading into the test and tune today, so it'll be the car's first run at a drag strip. I only drove the car last night for the first time just around the block at MPW, and look, it seemed to do everything okay. It stopped, it went, so I guess now it's the proof's in the pudding. We've just got to hit it on the track. So yeah, so anyway, watch the video, enjoy it. Hopefully we'll do some stuff, and we're not going to set any records or goals over the weekend. We just want to test it, get it going, make sure everything's right. Getting ready for drag challenge weekend coming up in literally a month's time, so it's not too far away. So yeah, stay tuned, enjoy, and fingers crossed, eh? Speak to you soon. Hey, how cool is that for a Ranger? Not really, it's standard. Oh, hello. Just used a trailer. I borrowed it from Abe. Thanks, Abe. You're a freaking legend, mate. Well, there we go. She's finished. Well, it's never really finished, is it? But it's ready to hit the track now. Filthy dirty. Oh, I've never seen this car so filthy. Oh well, it is a race car. Look at that sun shining off of it. Isn't that pretty? Look, there's Adam. Hello. Hi, Adam. He's fucked like the rest of us. So you shouldn't say that because that's swearing.
What's sleep?
What's sleep? We don't know much of that. The car has bit us. It's fought us. It's been a challenge. But
Jay says it's fought us. Jason's been at home in Adelaide drinking scotch while we've been not sleeping, fixing the car.
yeah, well, you know, who's smarter there? Anyway, so yeah, we're about 10 minutes out of Heatcote, and yeah, so shit will get real very soon. Just wait. We've just got here to the Holden Drag Nationals. Racing started, bit of qualifying, bit of practice, bit of good fun everywhere. Man, this place is chockers. It's awesome. It's hot, it's sweaty, it's stinky, but we don't worry about that. So hopefully over this video we'll show a few of the cars, maybe a bit of footage of the Mustang if we can get it. Hopefully we can get the Mustang to work right, and hey, at the end of the day, if we can get some passes, get some data, and be ready for drag challenge, it'll be awesome. Yeah, anyway, so sit back, enjoy. Hopefully I can put a decent video together, and we'll see you soon. Cheers. Hi guys, Jason from Tuff Mounts. We are here at the Holden Nationals. Well, actually it's the Tuff Mount Holden Nationals. I actually feel a bit weird this weekend. We are the only Ford here, which isn't really quite right, but unfortunately I've had to pull a few strings obviously, and we've brought the Mustang over. The guys at MPW have slogged it out the last couple of weeks to get it ready for the event, so it's literally just a bit of testing prior to Drag Challenge weekend coming up into the month. Had fun with the car. It hasn't quite done what we wanted, but we've had a few little sorting out dramas as you always do, but we've run a good number. We ran a 1020 yesterday, 1090 this morning, but it's a few driver errors. Well, actually it's mostly driver errors. I've stuffed up way too many times. If I can sort that out, we'll be fine. But yeah, it's been good. Like, the event has been sensational. Cars everywhere, lots of really cool stuff, lots of fast numbers. The track wasn't there yesterday on the Saturday, but it certainly got there today. Really good. And yeah, we're just now getting into the finals. So anyway, I hope the video goes all right and we'll get it sorted out. And yeah, we'll get it back to Adams tomorrow. They've got a couple of tricks to do, not a couple of tricks, but a couple of things to change that since we've driven it that we don't like. So we'll change those and get them done. And then we're pretty well ready for Drag Challenge to have some fun. But anyway, thanks again, thanks for watching, thanks for following. It's here, it works, it goes, can't beat it, I love it. And like, the reception from the crowd here, even though it's a Ford, so many people have loved it and they've all accepted us running in their categories. And you know, thanks guys, love your work. But yeah, no, thanks again, and we'll speak to you all soon. Cheers.